How can you delete apps on your macOS? Simply head to your launchpad here at the bottom. This way you will see all of your apps, almost like on iPhone or iPad, right? From here, we can simply drag and drop an app into your trash bin. Let's try. I'm dragging out the app icon to the trash. Nothing happened. In that case, you will need to open up Finder, this smiley face here, and open up this view when you can see all of your apps again. From here, you will be able to right-click on the app you want to get rid of, and you will be able to move to trash from here. And if you open this in Finder, every app will easily be moved to the trash and deleted. So, for some apps, you can use the launchpad, and you will delete them just fine. But it doesn't work. Head to your Finder, and you will see a list of your apps here. Then you can right-click and select Move to Trash. Sometimes you may have additional pop-up box where you need to confirm that you want to delete the app. Then you can simply empty your trash bin and the app is gone. I hope this short tutorial was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.